I am really terrible about shooting intros. Hey guys, what's going on? James 4 Drive here. So for today we're going to be working on this 2018 RZR 1000. We went riding last weekend. We had a really good time. Went to the river, rode with some friends. I'll post some pictures. While we were out there, I was using my winch and it got stuck. The winch line got stuck in the reel, and we had other people out there that had winches, so it wasn't like a huge deal, but it was frustrating for me because it's a brand new winch. I just put it on like, I don't know, like a month ago, so, and I've only used it like 5 times, so it was a little frustrating, but you know, I guess that's what you get when you have a steel winch. I'd like to go to synthetic, so we'll probably do that. I'll probably, I don't know, do that later on, but for today, you're gonna watch me pull that reel out, fix it, kind of get it straightened out, get the winch line kind of straightened up, and then I'm gonna get out my power washer and you're gonna watch me clean this dirty sucker. So we'll have like a little before and after, and basically just showing like the process of me cleaning it. I might drop the skid plates. I'm not 100% certain, but I know there's a lot of mud on the skid plates, so we might do that. But anyways, if you want to stick around, watch me clean the RZR and work on the winch and just kind of mess around with the RZR a little bit, stay tuned and I'll show you my process. Loop is still in there. That loop. Turn this music down. Let's see. I don't want to break it. There it is. It's all the way out. Damn. As you can see, this thing is filthy. Jeez, there's so much mud everywhere. But I will say this, I have these mud buster fender flares and the bed stays really clean for the most part, and it really keeps, these fender flares, they really keep the mud off this machine. The floorboards, there's a beach on that side. The machine did really good. Really good. I do have an issue with this fuse. That's my fuse for my amp. It's melted. I gotta fix that, but I tried to fix it before I left. That just didn't happen. But that's all I love about these fender flares, man. It keeps the mud really, it kind of keeps the mud like contained, you know, in the fenders. But All right, I'm gonna preface this this reveal by saying this is still an off-road machine. It is still a RZR, and it's gonna get dirty again. So this isn't like showroom quality. I'm not going in a parade. I'm not going to a car show or anything like that. So this is basically just a soapy spray and wash cleanup. So don't judge me too much. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. The RZR's nice and clean, and I got the winch taken care of, so we're pretty much done with it. Like I said, it wasn't supposed to be like a super duper clean video. Just me messing around with the camera and just messing around with the RZR. And yeah, so we're going to let her dry and put her up and get her ready for next time we take her out. So if you like this video, you like this kind of content, you want to see some more, subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.